Blue pop, you get poetic. You get poetic. So, I drank some blue pop. I drank some blue pop. Need a right for pop.
What round of pop?
I don't know.
Didn't know when to stop.
I didn't know when to stop. That's
Oh,
good.
very
That's
good, very good.
Let's get the prize. There's your prize. There's your bookmark prize. There you go. Look after that. I drank some blue pop. What was it you said?
Didn't know when to stop.
Can we keep it in the present tense maybe? That works actually. I drank some blue pop. I didn't know when to stop. Action's getting worse.
What colour now? What kind of put now?
I drank some blue pop. I didn't know when to stop. Need another rhyme for pop and stop.
We don't want
Go on then. Or just do it a bit telepathy.
No, you don't want to pop. You want
And the bottle
About drop.
drop.
didn't know one.
Then
Alright,
the bottle
think-
was empty. Nothing was left, not even a drop.
That comes
The
out.
bottle had no top. No.
Bottle had no top.
Yep. Yep.
Nothing was left, not even a drop. God, we can rhyme here.
We're good, aren't we?
We are good.
Come on.
2, 3, 4. The bee landed on the blue wall. It was a standard colour. It didn't get staggered. Someone shouted, "Pull the wool, the blue wool." Aha! There's a bow. There's a bee in the box. Right. Goodness gracious. There's a bee over here in the junior fiction library. It's better than space or science. Wonder what's for lunch? The sweet perfume of flowers and the buzz of bees filled the air. That's a good one. It's like mysterious, that. In the deep blue sea, sunshine burst through the clouds. Only the roses were left. The printer, handprints to print off. I'm done. Do you want to print some handprints off? I'm not. I'm gone. I'm done. Right. The blue pop, she said. I have a hat. My friend went to a party. It was her birthday. Up above, the bees buzzing. The main light was on the blink. But we're having fun. What a party that was, eh? What a party. There once was a man like to jive. We seem to be having fun. Funny will be sweet and perfumed, even in the big book of blue. Sprinkling seeds across the garden, her teeth fell from her mouth. God, this is like a tragedy. No idea what came next. The flowers are blossoming, making pollen, but where are the treasure maps? The coffee's gone cold. Only 6 days to go and I don't know what to do. It's great, that's so good, that's so good. That's great. I found this bee in the river. Oh dear, what a fear. Its wings were soaking and heavy because it was riding a seahorse. In the river, what is my fear? Beautiful, isn't it?
River. I wonder if it's alive, but maybe it has a spy. Its wings were soaking and heavy, but there isn't very many bees in the field. How very weird is this path? It's the pathways cleared.
Whoa.
What a strange place for it to be. It may even get carried out to sea, and we would never. Can't read it. See it ever. Its wings were soaking and heavy. It may never be able to fly, and will never be able to go to the sky.
Oh, poignant.
I found this bee in the river. It was flapping its wings and swimming. It didn't get far because it was small and went round and round in a spin. Its wings were soaking and heavy. It struggled and flopped even more. Then help came to save it from the wet.
Boy, that's the exciting thing. Let's hear it.
I found this bee in the river. It did not look well, and it started to shiver. Its wings were soaking and heavy. It lolled about slowly. It had a strong bevy.
In the river, he was cold and starting to shiver. Poor bee. His wings were soaking and heavy. His breathing was shallow and breathy. Poor bee. So I fished him out carefully, dried him off with a towel so fluffy. I saved the bee.
Oh, you
Oh, very good.